No way. No fucking way.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is a big one.
My friend just caught a big ass catfish here at the, we'll just call it the river bend. Wow! Shit! Hell yeah, I told you. Look at that. Were you using big ass shad?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. You want me to pull this one in?
Yeah, please.
Wow. First one of the day. Check it out, guys. You can just walk this way,
Boy.
Yeah, walk that way.
I'm on my way.
You want me to grab the net?
Please.
Wow, guys. Check this out. There's quite the fight unfolding right here. Whoa, what is that, over 2 feet? Yeah, easy 2 feet. Wow. Yeah, Adrian knows the spot. High five, way.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, get in here, bro. Get in there.
Look at that, guys.
That's a fatty.
Simon can see.
Hell yeah. Who's gonna throw it there next?
Shit, I will. I'm already here. Right at the tip, right?
I think he's in my
You just put the net right here?
yeah. Hopefully that's a sign of come. Oh, yeah, this is a fuck.
Hell yeah. How's that for a catfish?
Hell yeah, brother.
That fucking rod band, bro, was exciting as fuck.
It was.
Wow.
I need pliers.
Here. Always have them. Keep that motherfucking thing on me.
Get the scale.
Get the scale in your phone for pictures.
Doggy.
Hell yeah, guys. That's what we're dealing with here in southern New Mexico. Somewhere along the river. Undisclosed location, of course, as always.
I don't have my scale.
Oh no?
It's in my other fucking chair.
Got a measuring tape?
Oh, no. I'm gonna buy one too.
Now you know why we carry measuring tapes and shit out here. Look at that thing.
Fucking A.
Wow. Daytime blue catfish.
Oh, that's heavy, bro.
Wow, bro.
Ah!
He's getting you, huh?
Yeah, fucker. No. Damn.
Pick him up like a baby. I'll take a picture. Hold him up close so it doesn't look like you're long arming. No, like, yeah, there you go. Because people, you hold them over, it becomes 5 feet. You know what I mean? Awesome. Here, let me get a good fucking picture of the back.
Fuck yeah.
Sweet, bro.
You got my finger, fucker.
Not bad to begin with.
He christened you?
Yeah. That was badass, bro. Because nobody else called them. Nobody called the kitty.
Hey, kitty, kitty.
Yeah, fishy.
Ahí están.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, we forgot to stop and get smokes.
Oh, you smoke cigarettes, huh? I forgot.
I think.
If not, te llevas mi troca, la verga.
Oh no, fuck no.
What do you mean?
I want to sit here and fish.
Nah, you got him hooked now. He's like, I'm gonna catch one. That was a badass catch.
Bro, hell yeah. I'm so upset I didn't put my fucking scale on. That was a fucking... Damn, he took the shit out of me.